We're going to fit a towing eye to a VW Polo 6N2. So yeah, now it's literally behind here, behind this bit of a cover. This has got the fog lamp in, but it works if you don't. If you don't have it, it's the same one. So all you need to do, phillips screwdriver or star head, they're in a coil, and breaching that hole there. Take it out, and it pulls out this way. Little slots just there. So it pulls out a little bit, and then pulls out, and that's where you put towing eye. And to put it in, is turn it to the left. So it's got an opposite thread, left-handed thread. Now when you come to do these, all you need to do is just nip it up with your hands, literally like that. Don't need to be too tight, I shall struggle to get it off. And they don't come out anyway. Well, I've never had one come out of me. So yeah, and that's how you do it. Then attach your towing eye, your tow rope, or your rigid bar or towing bar to it, and away you go. So, hope that's helpful for you guys. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, greatly appreciated. If you like to, share it. We're on Facebook as well. So, leave it there. See you later, guys. Bye.